Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. So, in this channel, we are discussing very niche topics from ServiceNow aspects. If you want to learn more what we discussed earlier, you please refer the earlier videos. I hope it will help you. So, in today's discussion, what we are going to see is the hackathon experience. So, fortunately, I had a chance to join a K25 conference to understand what are all the things are happening into the K25. As a MVP, I got a good opportunity to explore the K25 conference very efficient manner, and I specifically inspired one event that is called Hackathon. Why? What is the reason? Is I came from the technical background, so my technical expertise related ability I can use in this event. So I'm much impressed. So if you want to participate hackathon, what is that and what are all the things normally we will do in the hackathon? What are all the benefits we will get it? So those things you need to understand it so that you will be ready from your side before attending the hackathon event. So if you're not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. There is a QR code available here. Scan it and subscribe it. And if you want to connect with me, there is a QR code available for the LinkedIn one. You just scan it and connect with me for further. So moving to that next slide. Why hackathon? What is the reason why I should participate hackathon? As a ServiceNow technician, if it is a technical or if it is a functional or if it is a process, whatever it is, you should participate this hackathon. Why? What is the reason? This slide will explain you that information. First, innovation and creativity. So before that, we go to the 6 point. Normally, what ServiceNow team will do in this hackathon? So hackathon, it is run by ServiceNow community leaders: Alan, Sarah, Mark Obey, Travis. So many people, Earl. So many people they are running this event. This event main purpose is to understand people use cases, people ability, people thought, how they are approaching, how they are handling any new use cases you are bringing, any new concept you are bringing, any new solution you are bringing to ServiceNow to support business, you and ServiceNow team. So that is a major motto of this hackathon. So ServiceNow leaders they will give you a limited time duration that is called 10 hours duration. So in this 10-hour duration, leaders will give the problem statement. This is expecting from you, your side. Based on the problem statement, you need to develop a scoped application. That is a major motto here. That scoped application, what type of use cases you are covering, what type of functionality you are bringing, how it is associated with your AI, like a Gen AI, etc. So how it is connecting to your real world. So those are all the things are pretty much important. These things we are achieving in the hackathon program. Okay. So if this is clear, why hackathon information, it will give you more clarity. Innovation and creativity. So leaders will give the problem statement. You are putting your thought process here and you are bringing something innovative manner. You are creating some new items for our real world problem. That is point number one. Point number two, this is not an organization specific. Many organization people will collaborate and work in this hackathon. So it's a team effort. So if you are in a X company, you are in a Y company, you can easily collaborate with the A company, B company, C company. So networking, you are getting, you are connecting with the people, you are talking, you are trying to explaining yourself, you are trying to understanding others. What is the use cases they are bringing? What are the use cases you are talking? What are all the solutions you are bringing? So those type of item, it will completely bringing in this platform. Next, Third one is a recognition and career growth, no doubt, because this event run by our ServiceNow leaders. So you are directly in ServiceNow radar. So what are all the concept, what are all the solutions you are bringing? ServiceNow team knows this person bring that logic, concept, output, something like that. So they can easily remember your name. They can easily engage you. For example, they have some different problem statement. You can provide your thoughts, and directly and indirectly we are supporting our service now. So that's what I can see it. And this is not only for a supporting, you are improving your career also. So networking, it's important, your career also very important, right? So where uh, I have some problem statement, I don't have an answer, so immediately I can connect with my friends, I can directly connect with service now to get some support. This area, definitely this hackathon program will help you. Next, real world problem solving. Yes, leaders will provide a problem statement. That problem statement, definitely it is applicable for our real world. Anyway, you cannot achieve a full-fledged solution. At least you can complete a 60 or 70% solution you can develop from your side. Then it is syncing with your real world problem. That is a big achievement from our side. So one is we are supporting our real business. Second is we are supporting our service now. And third one is you are supporting yourself. That is a motto. Next is hands-on learning. So hands-on learning, you think this hackathon, it's not run by only the developers. So uh, some developer is required, some business analyst also required, some process people also required, some solution people also required. So every person, they are clubbing together and we are working. So when we are clubbing together and we are working, as a developer, you can easily understand how to prepare a solution. As a developer, you can easily understand how to project the solution. And similar way, as a consultant, how to write the code technical manner in a simple way. So we are helping each other. So that is a major motto. So hands-on learning in a both side. So technical means functional and process side you can learning. Functional means technical and process side you are learning. Process means technical and functional side you are learning. So it's a win-win approach for both. Next, prices and opportunities. Yes, your logic, your concept, it's attracting, impacting in the real business use case. Then leadership team will recognize you with proper uh, prices. It's like a kudos scenario. So enjoy with the price, and you will get some other opportunity. You can your solution, it move to the next stage. Next stage means it's real time implementation. It will go. Our ServiceNow team, they will focus it. They will develop more. They will brainstorm other use cases as well. So everyone is benefiting here. So that's the reason I said, as a ServiceNow technician, you must participate as a hackathon, so that you can understand all 6 key pillars what I have explained in this slide. Next, what we perform and when. So first, when we need to understand, so that we can understand that activities related items. When, yearly once this hackathon program will happen, and the day is the second day of K25 event, and leaders will provide the 10 hours duration, and your solution concept, it is attracted to our leaders. Then they will showcase the result third day of K25. That means next day of your event. Next, where it will run? It will run in your MVP pavilion area. And remember one thing, it will happen in the non-business hours, meaning after 5 to 12 or 5 to 1 next day 1 a.m. that time it will close it. So what you are planning into the K25, it will not affect. You can use the timeline for the K25 area. After 4:30, then you can plan for your hackathon program participation. So don't forget, please attend. Activities, I just already explained. Requirements statement provided on spot. Who provide? Community leaders. And what is a target state is develop a scoped application. That is a target state. So when you are developing a scoped application, what are all the ServiceNow capability I can use? That list also provided in the problem statement. So you try to see it and try to use those functionality in your problem statement, in your solution. Next, they will provide a complete new instance to you. What are the plugin you want to install it. What are the code you need to develop it. So that is not a problem. But earlier what you developed, you are importing and you are bringing that solution, that is not advisable, because leaders, they will monitor when the updates are created or when that code it is created, everything it can be captured in your XML file. So you cannot escape. So be frank, like do everything in a that allotted time. So new instance will be provided. That new instance also having appropriate admin access. And I said required plugin. If you want, you can enable it. If you have any problem in the plugin enablement, you talk to your leadership team. That means the ServiceNow community team. They will help you to resolve that problem. Providing a complete internet access, you can use what you want. So you need some assistance from your code, open a Google, search it, what code you are expecting, copy paste it. So those type of liberty it is already available. So you can use that item and develop it. Next thing is idea to solution, that is our target state. This idea to solution, you cannot complete in a 10 hours in the 100% state, correct? So at least you should complete the main factor what you are trying to convey to our leaders. So at least you complete those items. So leaders also understand it is not a 10-hour job, so you need to do more, right? So you need to do more means you need to prepare a slide, you need to record your video, you need to develop the solutions. Everything should happen in this 10 hours. So I'm pretty sure this is not happen. It's a full-fledged solution. So what you want to highlight to the leadership team as per the problem statement, you highlight it, those area you focus it, you close it. So these are all the activities, these are all the what informations normally we will follow in our hackathon event. Moving to the next slide. Eligibility and the prerequisite, what is it required. So first prerequisite we will see it, and the eligibility we will see the next. Prerequisite, we need a personal laptop. If you have a team, 4-member team, 5-member team, then everyone should have a proper laptop with working condition. Each laptop should have a proper charger, and the laptop side it should support your PPT and video editing related items, and it should allow to access the internet as well. And once you prepare your solution, you should narrate your solution very clear manner, attractive manner. So narrative skills, it depends your person based, remaining 4 are device based. Next, eligibility. So here I can see a primary experience and secondary experience. So primary experience, developer experience is required. You have some earlier development, so then it is a high benefit for you when you are developing a solution in that event timeline. Next, scoped app we are going to develop. So development background with the scoped app application development, that is a valid advantage to prepare your solution as per the mentioned timeline. And you are having a good confidence with your business rule, script include client script, then it is going to support you. Other item like user interface and workspace creations, portal development, those are all the things also additional advantage, because those area it's going to attract you what you are trying to communicate to our leaders via portal, via workspace. If it is working like this, then it is good. They can easily understand it. And meanwhile, these requirement it will come in your problem statement as well. That means the problem statement side they will highlight, I need one portal, I need one workspace. That statement it will come. For any reason if it is not coming, you please consider yourself. So workspace and portal, it's a pretty much important portion. So you cannot escape without this and preparing a solution. So please consider these items. And next is integration. Problem statement side they will tell integration is required or not. Mostly they will say integration is required. So we here we need to take some open API. For example, whether you are calculating So there is an open API available in your Google. So use that open API and bring the data from that open API to your ServiceNow instance. So integration is pretty much important. Next, AI and Gen AI related pitch also required here, like summarization, resolution notes, and agent related solutions, how you are handling via Gen AI. So those type of uh, item it should present in your solution. So it's completely mixture solution. So AI related, user interface related, workflow related, integration related, everything you should cover. So these four items, it's pretty much important. uh, you should bring in your solution. And team. So to develop this item, we cannot do a single person. So we need a team. So either you can develop your team before a hackathon event, or you don't know anyone. So you are going to the hackathon and you connect via networking. Then you are building your team. That is also good. So minimum 4, maximum 5 people should present in your team. So my calculation like this: when I attend my hackathon, so that time I went this plan: 3 developers, 1 solution tech lead, and 1 process analyst. Developers will do the development related item. Solution also, it will prepare like how the user interface look like, how the portlets look like. Development document development related item also, that person will take a responsibility. A recording also, that person will take a responsibility, like that. That's the way I have segregated the team. If you have a different thoughts, you can go with that team and prepare it. So moving to the next slide. What benefits we receive if I join in the hackathon? What benefits I'm going to receive? So our major motto is one team, one platform, new solution. That solution for a real use cases, real problem statement, real business. That is a target state. But if you are joining this team or hackathon event, you are collaborating and co-creating a new solution. That new solution, it is going to support for your real business time. And you are sharing your mind, what you are thinking, what type of logic you are going to build. So that information you are passing to your team members, and similar way you are getting a input from your team members as well. So it's like a mind sharing game. Next, easy to find improvement areas. Example, you are saying something, that area some lagging is there, other person can easily understand it. That person can easily highlight it, this area it's lagging, you need to change it. So correction happen. That correction not only in the event, that correction will help you in your career also. When you are developing a code, when you are developing a solution, so that time this will help you. This will remind you. And the next thing is you are working in a different organization team members. So that is also healthy situation, because no one knows anybody, right? It's completely new team. So if that is a case, how they will work, how you should work. So those type of observation you can get it in this event. And important portion is you are showing your capability directly to our community leaders. So the community leaders observe your capability, which area you are capable, what type of skills you have, what type of niche skills you have compared to others. So those things they will listen, they will monitor. And next thing is your idea direct recognized by ServiceNow. For example, you are preparing a solution, that solution is impressed ServiceNow team, then your idea it is moving to the next state. It will go for a real time development, real time use cases. So you can see that solution in next 1 year ServiceNow will publish. So everyone is benefiting here, not one person. It's like a win-win approach. That's the reason I said everyone must participate this hackathon program and use efficient manner for your career path. So I learned this item in the K25 program. I request you, everyone should participate these type of events, show your capability, get a recognition from ServiceNow, work with the team, get a corrections what you have in your mind. Something it is wrong, other people will easily correct you, you can easily accept it. So It's complete full packed event. So I request you in K26, please join these events and show your capability. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching these videos. Good day and good noon. Goodbye.